Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Stop ordering soggy omelets. Make the real thing at home. This Spanish potato omelet is proof less is more. Watch for the 40-second trick that makes it legendary. Quick history. Think 1800s Spain. Farmers get credit. A hungry general gets credit for it. Today, it's a tapa superstar. Here's the viral chef-approved method. Thinly slice waxy potatoes. Thinly slice an onion. Confit them gently in olive oil until melting tender. Drain, then toss warm with 6 whole eggs. Add 2 yolks and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture rest and hydrate for 10 minutes. Pour into a hot preheated non-stick pan. Use a spatula to set the edges. And this is key. Flip it carefully. Turn off the heat immediately. Let it rest undisturbed for 40 seconds. Slide it back into the pan gently. Cook for 1 more minute until set. Then rest another 40 seconds off the heat. Slice into molten custardy perfection and serve. Try it tonight. Tag me. Your feed will thank you.